Hi friends, welcome. Today we're going to be making this banging chickpea salad. This is my go-to recipe for all my non-vegan family and friends and kids. These are the ingredients that you will need. We're going to start by chopping half of a red onion. We're only going to be using 1/4 cup of the chopped red onions. We're going to chop up 7 pickle slices. Make sure that you use dill pickles. Then we're going to add our drained chickpeas into a bowl. We're going to mash the chickpeas. I like to go old school and use a potato masher. If you're going to use a potato masher also, make sure you add some elbow grease. You can also use a blender to mash your chickpeas. To our mashed chickpeas, we're going to add the onions, pickles, relish, mustard, mayo, and we're going to mix that together. Now we're going to add in my secret weapon, pickle juice. We're going to add nutritional yeast. We're going to add the seaweed. Mix everything together. We're going to season it with a little bit of paprika. The paprika is actually for flavor, it's not for show, but I'll mix that in after it cools. Cover your salad, place it in the refrigerator for at least an hour so that the flavors can blend. This is what your salad should look like after it's cooled. We're going to mix in that paprika. That's it. Now you can add your salad to your wrap, or you can make a chickpea sandwich. If you try this recipe, I hope that it does exactly what it's meant to do for your body. I hope it keeps you strong and healthy. I hope it nourishes you, and I hope that it tastes like love. Thanks for watching. Bye.